This is the second part of the noise figure video. Noise figure, in true sense, needs to be calculated for a cascaded system with many front-end components for a complex RF system. Say for example, there is a receiver system with front-end components as shown here with an antenna, switch, LNA, bandpass filter, and finally a receiver RF IC. Receiver RF IC is a transceiver chip which has the rest of the receiver circuitry like mixers, digitals, digital front end, ADC, and so on. For sake of this discussion, I will not consider antenna since noise figure is a parameter to be calculated even without antenna in the picture. Now say you have this individual noise figure and gain values given for each of these devices. Note that for a passive device, noise figure value is same as the insertion loss of the device. What needs to be done is calculate the total noise figure of this cascaded system. But how do we start and where do we calculate it? Actually, what is useful is calculating the cascaded noise figure at the input. So say this is the input point of the receiver. So we need to calculate the cascaded noise figure here. This is referred to as the input referred noise figure. But why is it called input referred noise figure? That is because we use noise figure in determining how system noise affects the input signal at this point, which is the entry point for the received signal. So what we need to do is put all the noisy blocks from the system like these green blocks which contribute to the noise and bring it upfront to the receiver input. Thus what we do is we group all these green blocks which contribute noise here as noiseless and put it as one block here, and then the noise generated by all these green blocks, an equivalent circuit is put here which contributes to the total noise generated by these green blocks. So now let us put some equation here and calculate this cascaded input referred noise figure. Mathematically, here is the equation to do this. So note that the equation has all the linear terms. So here F1, F2, G1, F3, G1, G3 are all linear values, while whatever the values that have been given to us here are all dB values. So we need to convert all the dB values to linear and insert in this equation. So we have to start from right to left. So F1 and G1 refers to the first block. So this is the first block, this is the second block, and this is the third block. So we need to plug in these values into this equation, and remember that all the values have to be in the linear format. That means you have to convert these dB values into linear values. So this is how we get the equation after inserting the values from these blocks. So this is the first stage, second stage, third stage, and then the final noise figure is 1.41 dB. So you can see here that even if you have multiple blocks in an RF system, only the first two blocks are majorly contributing to the noise figure, and the third block has very less contribution. So even if you have n stages in a system, typically the first 3 or 4 blocks dominate the overall noise figure. So there are some key points to note. So even though the definition of noise figure is the ratio of SNR at input to SNR at output, it is interesting to note that the noise figure calculation does not depend on the input signal received at the input of the receiver. Thus, a better or a poor signal power will undergo the same level of degradation in the system. Thus, we can actually write noise factor as just the ratio of noise at output and noise at input of cascaded system for a specified bandwidth, gain, and temperature at which the input noise is measured. While it is not shown here, in a practical system, you need to consider all the cable and trace losses for frequencies at more than 1 gigahertz, and if temperature is not at room temperature, then that also needs to be factored in. So thus in a real system you need to consider all the losses here. So whatever the lines you see here, these are the cables or traces. So these losses also needs to be considered along with the temperature at which the noise is measured at the input. Now there is a quick way to calculate the approximate noise figure without the complicated equation that I showed in the previous slide, and also without any linear to dB or dB to linear conversion. So how do we do this? So let's consider one scenario here. So this is the first block diagram. So this is same as the block diagram that I showed in the previous slide. So the quick way to calculate noise figure in this case is to keep adding the noise figure dB values till you reach the first gain block. So here if you see, so this does not offer gain, this offers gain. So you add the noise figure from this block, you add the noise figure from this block. So this is the first gain block. So you stop here and you add the two noise figure values. So you're getting a value of 1.4 dB here. So if you remember the previous slides, so the value there was 1.41. So this is an approximate noise figure value here. So you can see clearly here that the blocks post the gain block, like for example the band pass filter, it is not contributing significantly to the overall cascaded noise figure. Now let's look at the second scenario. So what here I have done is I have interchanged LNA and bandpass filter, and rest of the blocks remain the same. Apply the same logic as before. Keep adding noise figure values till you hit the first gain block. You have to add noise figure from here, noise figure from here, noise figure from here, and then you have to stop here because this is the first gain block. So you can see that this is the cascaded noise figure. So the noise figure is higher here compared to the previous case because now we have three blocks contributing to the noise figure. Then this is another scenario where we are considering all three blocks as non-gain blocks. That means all the three blocks here, they are not providing any real gain. So in this case you have to just add all the three noise figure values. So since there is no gain block, so you keep adding noise figure values. Typically the first 3 or 4 blocks contribute. So we have first 3 blocks here. So we keep adding the first 3 noise figure values, and this is the approximate noise figure value. Thus you can use such approximations as a quick way to calculate the noise figure.